nowadays, Prakriti. I'm really happy.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent all the worksheet related to this chapter.
Good, good.
You
Thank
will
you.
send reply.
Yeah. So, good morning, everyone. Good
Good
morning.
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Good.
morning,
Once
ma'am.
Good
again,
morning, ma'am.
Good
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 morning,
morning,
ma'am.
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
a very good morning to all of you. Children, as you all know, that we are doing which chapter we are doing from last 1 week?
Smart
Smart
chart.
chart.
Yes,
Smart
ma'am.
chart.
Smart chart.
Smart charts, in which we have learned many different types of
Ma'am.
charts. Yes, Advika?
Ma'am. Ma'am, I did not got.
Advika, you do one thing, you refresh. You
Yes, ma'am.
refresh your mail account and then you will able to see. That if in case if you're not able to see, we'll talk it at the last. Okay. So from last few days, we are learning about the different charts. We have learned about the first. We have learned about which chart.
Telemark.
What?
नहीं
Telemark.
Telemark.
Telemarks.
In telemark,
Telemark.
we have done reading a telemark and drawing a telemark.
Drawing the telemark.
Very good. And next, next, what we have done
Pie chart,
after
Pie
chapati
chart.
chart, or
Pie
pie
chart.
chart,
Pie
or
chart.
circle chart.
yes, we have done pie chart. That is called
Graph.
circle
Chapati
graph
chart.
and
Chapati
chapati
chart
chart.
And chapati
and
chart.
circle chart.
Ma'am, we can
Yes.
And circle chart.
Now write in the chat box after chapati chart, after pie chart, which was our next
Bar graph. Bar
bar
graph.
graph. We have done how to draw bars. We have done how to draw bar graph. We have done how to read the bar graph. Right. So today also we will cover two topics, which is line line graph. Mute your
Ma'am,
mic.
I have a
Please
doubt.
mute your mics. Please, I request everyone to keep the mics off. If you are writing in the chat box, so please do not unmute your mics. So now today also we will learn two more graphs. In your book, only one graph is pending, which is the line graph. But I will give you some information about pictograph also, which we have done in grade 3 also, which we have done in grade 4 also. This is also
Yes.
a type of graph which by which we present the data information. Okay. Yes, Advika, what doubt you are having?
Ma'am, when we are drawing a bar graph,
Hmm.
if the max number is 70, but
Hmm.
as you gave the worksheet and
Hmm.
there are more blocks after 70, so we can write more numbers.
No, no, you can leave it. No problem. Okay, the highest number is 70. You write the number till 70 and leave the other blocks. Okay.
Ma'am, we will not study like we will not send worksheets on that family chart,
Yeah.
family tree.
There is a family chart. There is a project which I have already given you. You also ask your parents and make your own family chart.
And
Okay. Aryan. Yes or no? Yes. So on the family chart, there is no worksheet. Family chart. This is the activity. I got few of this. I got Trisha had shown me in the class only. Nishika had sent me in the mail. So you also please make your family chart with maternal side, means mother ke parents, grandparents, great grandparents side, and your paternal means from father side also, maternal and paternal, both the sides. You can make a chart, big chart nicely with the colorful pens and send it to me in mail. This is your activity for on family tree. Have you all understood?
yes,
Now,
Yes,
ma'am.
so
ma'am.
why I have given
Yes,
this
ma'am.
activity on family tree, that you also understand. Please mute your mics so that you also understand about your family. Okay. The basic things behind this is
Ma'am, your
only
screen is there.
okay, Arush, it will come slowly. the basic thing behind to explain you about the family tree, so that you will also not get confused. You should also know, like Madhav went in the marriage and he got confused, no? That which is my who are my grandparents, who are my great grandparents. So you should also be aware. You write their names also. If you know your great grandparents' name, if you know your grandparents' name, write their names also, so that you should be also aware about your family. Am I clear? Yes. Now today's our
Yes,
next
ma'am.
topic is line graph. Line graph is same as bar graph, but in bar graph we are drawing the bars. In line graph we draw line. In this also the data is given and you have to draw a graph. Children, can you give me, please write in the chat box if you know where you see the line graph. Where you see the line graph in real life situation. Have you come across, have you seen anywhere about the line graph? Please write. No, Jaival is saying he has not seen. Yes, can any other child will write that where you have seen the children when newspaper comes in that you have not. Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
ma'am, I know, ma'am, I know.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, bar graph, when my grandfather were making a resort in Saputara, I see
Hmm.
their bar
No,
graph.
but I am talking about the line graph, Josh.
Line graph, no, ma'am.
Yes. Bar graph, we
Ma'am,
have
ma'am, I
already
know.
had. Yes.
Can you show how line graph looks?
Pranchu will tell me. Yes, Pranchu.
Ma'am, I said, can you show the
Ma'am,
how
I
line
can.
graph
I will show you. Yes, I will show you.
Ma'am,
Wait a minute. I will
Ma'am,
show
I
you.
Ma'am, I saw line graph in
Ma'am,
hospitals.
ma'am, can I
Very
say?
good. Excellent answer she is giving. She has saw, Advika has seen this line graph in hospitals. When your reports come, it comes in a line graph, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, heart rate, that all things come in line graph. Heart rate,
Yes,
then
your pulse
all things.
rate. Yes, your pulse rate, your heart rate, all things come in the line graph. I'll present and show you which type of line graph.
Ma'am,
Can you all able to see this?
yes.
Can you?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I've seen this charts in hospitals. Ma'am, I have seen it.
Okay,
Ma'am,
now
I have seen it. Yes.
mute your mics, please. I request everyone to mute their mics. Now listen here. These type of line graphs you see sometimes about the. Yes, Pranchu.
Ma'am, these are used in matches and these are used to see the company's sales figure.
Yes, company status figure. These are used in hospitals. These are used in showing the temperature anywhere. The information if you want to show, because it shows you the up and down of what is the progress, what is the loss, what is the growth, everything. This type of you can easily recognize, see this and find out. Are they? Please do not unmute your mics, my dear children. When I ask, then only.
Ma'am, I have a line graph in my watch.
Very good. So this shows you. This shows
Ma'am,
you
I
what is
also
the. Now let me explain. This by Prakriti said properly. By visualizing this graph, you can easily understand where the situation is going down. If it is a company chart, then where the situation is going down, where the situation is going up, how much up it is going, you can easily recognize this. Okay. The simple thing is, wait a minute, I'll show you how to make a graph. Then I will present the video. Okay, let me first present the video so that you will understand and then I will explain you on the board. I will mute myself, so in between, please do not talk. And I will instruct you first, it will explain you all the graphs and then come to the line graph.
I'm selling cookies to raise money for the soccer team. I've got one last box to sell. keeping track of how many I've sold. I made a line graph. A line graph is a graph that uses points and lines to show data. You might use a pictograph or a bar graph to help you compare information about different groups. You might use a pie chart to compare parts of a whole. You use a line graph to track how a group or category changes over a period of time. What are the parts of a line graph? The title describes what is in the graph. My line graph tracks my cookie sales. An axis is a line that has numbers or categories and is used to create a graph. The x-axis is a horizontal line. That's the one that goes across. On my graph, it shows the days. The y-axis is a vertical line. That's the one that goes up and down. On my graph, it shows the number of boxes I sold. The points show how many boxes I sold on a specific day. How do you read a line graph? Graphs help us answer questions about data. How many boxes did I sell on Wednesday? To read a line graph, look at where the point lines up along the x-axis and y-axis. Look for the day of the week on the x-axis. Go up to the point and see where it lines up along the y-axis. I sold 7 boxes on Wednesday. How many did I sell on Thursday? I sold 5 boxes. When did I sell the most boxes? On Friday. You can tell easily because Friday's point is the highest on the line graph. Line graphs often track how something changes over time. They can help you see information in a different way. This shows how the size of the drama club has changed over the years. It shows the years on the x-axis and the number of members on the y-axis. Always pay attention to the scale on a graph. Not that kind of scale, Moby. The scale shows how numbers are organized on an axis. On this graph, the number starts at 15 and ends at 25. Graphs can use different scales. The numbers might go up by 5s or 10s, so it's important to look carefully. How many members did the club have in 2007? Look for the year on the x-axis. Then go up to the point and see where it lines up along the y-axis. There were 17 members. How many members were there in 2009? There were 20 members. Graphs can help you come up with ideas about the data. This graph shows that more and more students have joined the drama club over the years. The drama club has grown a lot since 2007. The school could use this information to give the club more money to put on plays. How can you make a line graph? Cool. You're selling lemonade to raise money for the soccer team? How much have you sold this week? You can use your chart to make a line graph. First, draw the x-axis and the y-axis and label each. Time is usually put on the x-axis. Add a title for your graph. Then choose a scale and figure out what numbers you want to put on the y-axis. Think about the smallest number and the highest number you will need to show. If the difference between them is a lot, you may want a scale that counts by 5s, 10s, or even hundreds. If the difference is small, you may want to choose a scale that counts by 1s or 2s. You need to show $2 and $20 on the same graph. You should probably use a scale that goes up by 2s. Remember, you write a 0 in the place where the x-axis and y-axis meet. Do not write the 0 above it. Now find the points on your graph. On Monday, you earned $6. Look for Monday on the x-axis and look for 6 on the y-axis. Then find a place where they meet and draw a point. On Tuesday, you earned $4. Look for Tuesday on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis and find where they meet. Keep going until you plot or draw all the points on your graph. Then use a ruler to draw straight lines that connect the points. Now you can use the graph to help you understand the data. You sold the least on Thursday, but on Friday you sold a lot more than the other days. Why do you think you sold so many more on that day? It looks like you are your best customer.
Ma'am, it's so easy.
So children, have you understood?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I don't understand how to read the line graph.
How to read the line graph if you don't understand?
Ma'am, it's very easy. Ma'am, I did not understand. Ma'am, it's very easy.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay. Listen here now. Mute your mics, everyone. See.
ma'am, today will you send the worksheet of this?
Yeah. Yes. And we will do some worksheets in the class also. Mute your mic. It's my request to everyone. Prakriti, your mic. Many of the times your mic get turned on. Please see to it. Now look here. See, it is line graph is same like the bar graph. You have to first draw a x-axis, then draw a y-axis. The intersecting point of two lines is the 0, and write labeling it here what you are writing on the x-axis. Label this. Y-axis what you are writing, label this, that number of students or what, or the days are what, here write it. Or okay, title is compulsory and scaling is compulsory, that your 1 centimeter or the 2 centimeter is what. Okay, for example, the scaling which we have learned in bar graph also. Okay, so in bar graph also we have learned the scaling, like 1 centimeter is equal to 5 number of students, or whatever you are mentioning on the y-axis. Suppose I am mentioning here number of students visit to the library on each day. For example, I take Monday here, days I am taking here on the x-axis. So this also to be proper scaling, the way you have done on the bar graph. Okay, the width is the gap between the should be same. It should not be like you are living here 2 blocks and then 1 block and then 2 blocks. No, that also to be same. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this way. And I am taking number of students. Scaling is 5 because the information is given in the table. For example, table is given to you here that the number of students. Wait, I'll make a table also. The data which is given to you that days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and number of student visit to the library on Monday are 5, Tuesday 15, Wednesday. Can you give me any number for Wednesday?
25.
25. Thursday.
30. Ma'am, 25.
You can decrease also. What, Vrishang, what you told?
10. Ma'am, I was telling the number 25.
Okay. So this is the scale. Now you have to see which is the smallest number in your table. 5 is the smallest. Which is the greatest number in your table?
30.
30. So by seeing this, Now listen to me, my dear children. By seeing this, the smallest number and the greatest number, can you able to scale it here on the y-axis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, with the multiples of 5. With the multiples of 5. So 1 unit. So the scale is 1 unit or 1 centimeter. We can say here the unit is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 5 number of students. Children, this all will go above this graph area because here you are going to draw a graph. So this space should be empty. I don't have much space. Please mute your mics. It disturbs me a lot. Someone mic is on. So this area is above this graph area because here you are going to draw the graph. So after giving the scaling on each 1 centimeter, you are putting 5 students. So this will be 10, this will be 15, this will be 20, 25. Still someone mic is on, Devanshi. Why I need the reminders again and again? 25 and the highest is 30. So you stop here at the highest number. Now on Monday 5 students. So I will go from x-axis to the y-axis. I will put one dot here. Then on Tuesday 15, I will go straight on from the x-axis till the y-axis and I will match it here. That is my dot is clear. I will put an x dot here. Okay, then Wednesday it is 25. So from x-axis to y-axis, I'm going to erase this table because I don't have a space. Wednesday it was 25. Have you remember the table? What was written?
Ma'am,
Yes,
30
Ma'am, Tuesday was
30 and 10. 30 and 10.
So, okay. So from x-axis to the y-axis, I will go from horizontal line to the vertical line and I will see that the gap is equal and then I put a dot here on the 30. Then Friday, it is again coming down on 10. Now what I do, I will take a scale. Just a minute. I will take a scale and join them. These dots. That is why the name of this graph is line graph because you are joining and making the lines. So again it is increasing. So it will go from here and then on it will go from again on 30 and then it is coming down. So please mark the dots dark so that your graph should be visible clearly. Now it is visible to you. Now
Thursday one. Yes.
Thursday
one you forget to.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Forget to darker that dot.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now this is the graph which is ready. Now on the basis of this graph, I will ask some questions from you. Now you children tell me how many 25 children visited on which day?
Wednesday.
Good. On which day less number of students visited the library?
Monday.
Sunday. Which is the second least students visited on which day?
Friday.
Yes. Aryan, now you understood. Aryan, now you understood how to read and how to draw. Yes, Renu, who was saying Renu, ma'am?
Ma'am, Aheli, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Aheli, please tell me.
Ma'am, when we draw this line graph, we won't touch the lowest number with the 0 on the graph.
No, we will not touch because no information is given from here.
Okay.
So, ma'am,
will not
there is 0, so then we will make a line here also.
Then you will make a point from there also because in your textbook, one example is given on the page number 169. In that, the information is given from 0. So you start from 0. Okay. And if the information is not from 0, so you don't start. You are not required to touch this graph. It will be in the air only, like this. Okay? Whatever the
Okay, ma'am.
information I giving, according to that, you are going to plot the dots and then you join that dots. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay. Now I will give you this line graph is clear to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will study about the pictograph. Pictograph is not in your textbook, but I hope that you all have learned in grade 4 and grade 3.
Ma'am, can I show you my
Yes, ma'am.
Pranshu, yes, Pranshu, I will see to it. Okay. Let me explain this next one. Pictograph. What do you understand? Please write in the chat box. Why the name of this graph, which we are going to learn next? Why the name is pictograph? What are we going to learn in the pictograph? Next topic is pictograph.
Ma'am, it's
Then
photograph.
what is a growth chart?
What is the?
Then what?
Aryan, what is the name? What you are asking?
I mean, in this course book, it's also given growth chart.
Growth chart of a plant means is the line graph only. Okay, because here they are showing the growth of a plant. And growth you are going to see how whether it is a growth or not, that you will able to see. Very good, Pranshu. You are showing me something good.
Yes.
So in pictograph, we are going the picto word clear from the pictures. Anubhavi, are you clear with the topic till now what we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next is pictograph. From the name only, it is clear that in this graph, we are going to learn about pictures and symbols. Okay. So pictorial representation, the picture form of representation. Someone else is also showing me Kanan good. So the picture formation, the symbol formation of the it is called the pictograph. It is clear from the name. Pictograph means pictures. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, we have to do in graph book.
that you
Yes,
have to do in the graph book. Yes, pictograph you will not do in the graph book. That is the picture formation. I will show you one video on the pictograph also. Just a minute.
So, ma'am, pictograph, you are just
Explaining you. Yeah, it is,
okay.
this
So
is,
it will not come.
it can come. It is the additional if you are learning. Okay.
Data. A collection of information of a certain thing is called data. When we use pictures or symbols to represent such data, it is called pictorial representation. Such pictorial representations are called.
Children, now listen and see to it very carefully. यहाँ पे कुछ picture बनी हुई है, key बना हुआ है. That is called the key in the pictograph. That your one picture is equals to how many the symbols.
Like-
So please read the key carefully and see the key carefully.
called pictographs. Pictographs have three important information. 1. Title. 2. Data or label. 3. Key, that is the picture to be used. Each image stands for a certain number of things. Representing by pictograph. Let us recollect what we have learned in our previous class with an example of a pictograph. A watch company manufactures watches from Monday to Friday. The table shown on the screen.
See children also that there is a table shown, the information given to you that on Monday they are selling 60 watches. On Tuesday they are selling 70 watches. Given to you that on Monday they are selling 60 watches. On Tuesday they are selling 70 watches. On Wednesday they are selling again 60. Thursday 80. Friday 50. Now they want to represent this in the form of the pictures. And they have given the key that one watch equals to 10 wristwatches. Okay. Now, if you make the pictograph on this, on the basis of your previous knowledge, learn in the grade 3 and already in the grade 4, can you please tell me if they make the pictograph of this information, how many wristwatches they will draw on Monday?
6. Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am, 6.
6 because one watch
One watch is equal to 10.
10. Excellent. You can see here, I will show you the pictograph. I am not switch on the mic. You will not able to hear, you will see it. Next, on Tuesday, how many wrist watches they will draw?
7.
7. So this is the drawing the pictograph. This we are learning how to draw the pictograph, and then we will learn how to read the pictograph also. So on Monday 6, on Tuesday 7, on Wednesday again how many?
6.
6. On Thursday how many?
8.
8. On Friday how many?
5.
5.
So this is called the drawing. Now we will learn interpretation of pictograph, means how to read the pictograph. Now here some information is given to you that apples, how many apples are there?
5.
5. How many bananas are there?
4.
4. But you will see now. Now the key will be given to you. Now key says each fruit is 25. So now each fruit means whether it is apple, whether it is a pear, whether it is a banana, whether it is a pineapple. But it is a fruit. Each fruit is equals to 25 fruits.
125.
125.
Ma'am, apple 125.
How many for the
125
apple?
apple.
25 plus
125.
Okay, good. So Aryan, can you explain how you have done
Ma'am,
this?
bananas 100.
Can you explain to the other children?
Ma'am, 25 times 4, 100 bananas will be 100.
Wait,
And
Aryan. Now
then guava will be 100.
Aryan, wait. Aheli, next. You will, Aryan, now once your name will be called, then only you will answer.
Ma'am, can I
Others, please write in the chat box. I will read the chat box simultaneously. For banana, how many bananas are there now? What is the value of these bananas? Aheli, I'm asking from you. Each banana is 25.
Each banana is 25 is 100, ma'am, because if we multiply